Enhancing a small front yard with a luxury fountain is more than just an upgrade, it's a transformation. A well-placed fountain adds elegance, sophistication, and a unique sense of tranquility. Turning even compact outdoor spaces into high-impact designs. Luxury fountains elevate your front yard by creating a refined focal point. Their continuous water flow not only captures attention, but also adds a calming ambience that greets you and your guests with a soothing welcome. Designed with intricate textures, from polished stone to sleek metallic finishes, these fountains complement any modern landscape and add a luxurious touch even in the smallest spaces. Besides visual appeal, fountains bring functional benefits to your outdoor area. Flowing water adds humidity to the air, which is especially useful in dry climates, and helps cool surrounding areas, making outdoor spaces more comfortable.